It's 8 a.m. on a Monday morning and you're still in bed scrolling through Instagram. You see all those posts about financial freedom, successful businesses, and luxury lifestyles. You tell yourself, this is the year I'll make it. I'll get out of this cycle and finally achieve my goals. Yet here you are, another Monday, another hour wasted. If you really want to become a millionaire in your 20s, you can't keep doing the same shit that has gotten you nowhere. The truth is, most people will never become millionaires. And it's not because they don't want it, it's because they don't have the right habits and mindset to achieve it. Becoming a millionaire takes more than just hard work. It's about having the focus, discipline, and right strategies. Let's get one thing straight. You can't hit a target you haven't defined. Most people never reach financial success because they don't know what success even looks like for them. It's not just about wanting to be rich. How rich? What do you want your lifestyle to look like? How much money do you actually need to make that happen? The reason why most people stay broke is because they don't have a roadmap. They wake up every day, grind without direction, and hope that someday things will just fall into place. But it won't. If you don't know what your $1 million vision is, how are you going to take the right steps toward it? So here's the first step. Sit down with a pen and paper, old school style, and figure out what you want your life to look like. Do you want a big house? Do you want to travel the world? Write down the numbers. How much money do you need? Then break it down. What's the timeline? How will you make that happen in the next 5 years? Now you have a target to hit. Time is your most valuable resource. If you don't respect it, you'll never be rich. You can get money back, but you can't get time back. If you're wasting hours binge watching Netflix or endlessly scrolling through TikTok, let me tell you, you're throwing your potential away. Here's the truth. Millionaires in their 20s don't have more time than you. They just use their time differently. While you're chilling on the couch, they're working, learning, building. The difference is they know that time compounds. What you do today creates momentum for tomorrow. Small, consistent actions add up. So here's what you do. Track your time. For 1 week, write down everything you do. You'll soon see how much time you waste. Now imagine if you use just a fraction of that time to learn a high-income skill, start a side hustle, or invest in yourself. That's the kind of shift that builds millionaires. The truth is, becoming a millionaire in your 20s isn't just about saving money. You can't save your way to wealth if you're only earning a couple of thousand a month. What you need are high-income skills, skills that allow you to generate more income without needing a traditional 9-to-5. Think about it, what skills are highly valued in the market right now? Digital marketing, coding, sales, investing, or even creating content. These are the kinds of skills that can earn you 6 or 7 figures. And the beauty of these skills, you don't need a fancy degree to learn them. You just need commitment, discipline, and the right resources. Start with online courses, mentors, books, or even YouTube tutorials, but don't stop there. Apply what you learn. The more you practice, the more valuable you become. Here's a quick exercise. Write down 3 skills that are in demand right now, then pick one and spend the next 90 days mastering it. Do it in your free time. The skills you develop today will be the foundation of your wealth tomorrow. Let's get one thing straight. Nobody becomes a millionaire by hoarding cash in a savings account. If you want to build wealth in your 20s, you need to learn how to make your money work for you. And the way to do that is through investing. Now, I'm not talking about gambling on the latest meme stock or some crypto coin. I'm talking about smart, calculated investments in things that grow over time, like stocks, real estate, or even your own business. However, it is very important to understand risk and reward. The earlier you start investing, the more time you give your money to compound. Start small, but start now. Open a brokerage account, learn about index funds, or start a side hustle that brings in passive income. Even if it's just a few $100s a month, the habit of investing will change your financial future. If you want to make it to millionaire status, you have to get comfortable with failure. It's part of the process. Most people are too afraid to take risks because they fear losing. But here's the thing, every millionaire you look up to has failed at some point. Difference is they learned from those failures and turned them into a pathway to success. You'll face setbacks, you'll lose money, you'll make mistakes, but that's all part of the journey. The only real failure is giving up. So take risks, start that business, make that investment, and keep pushing forward. The only way you lose is if you quit. Your environment shapes your reality. If you're surrounded by people who are complacent, negative, or just don't have big ambitions, that energy is going to rub off on you. To become a millionaire, you need to surround yourself with people who think big, who are also working towards success. The people you spend time with will either push you toward greatness or pull you down into mediocrity. So if you want to be a millionaire, find a mentor, join a mastermind, or simply spend time with people who are already where you want to be. Success leaves clues, and the more you're around successful people, the more you'll learn. Becoming a millionaire in your 20s isn't some impossible dream. It's not reserved for the lucky few. It's a formula, a process that starts with discipline, focus, and smart decisions. If you want to change your life and build wealth, start by changing the way you think, act, and use your time. Because every day you waste is a day you'll never get back. The real question is, are you ready to make the changes?